Hi everyone, in this video I will show the 5 must-have extensions for VS Code. So I will search for extensions here and I will search for live server first of all. So this is the live server extension. It is basically used to launch a development local server with live reload feature for static and dynamic pages, as you can see in my screen. So I will install it, and to test this extension I have created an index.html file, and to host this web on a local web server I will click on go live. And as you can see on my screen now, it has created a it has started a local server and rendering out my HTML file data here. So the next extension is the prettier code formatter. So the prettier is basically a code formatter. We can format any kind of code like of JavaScript, TypeScript, Flow, HTML. So I will install this extension, and yeah, it has successfully got installed in my system. Now I will install the auto rename tag. So this auto rename tag is basically used to uh, I will show you here. Let's say I have changed our tag to h1 to h2. It will basically rename the another tag also with this one according to this one. So it is a very good extension if you are a web developer. The next is Git history. So this is a Git history extension. So basically it is used to view the Git log file history and compare branches or commits. You can easily view any kind of Git log without using the command prompt using this extension. The next one is Peacock. So I will install this extension now and will go to my workspace. And this extension is basically used to change the color of our workspace. So I will now press F1 to activate this extension. So after pressing F1, you have to click on this one at the recommended, you have to click on the change to favorite color. So as you can see, the color is getting changed on my VS Code now, and we can set any of the color by pressing enter. So this is looking pretty cool now. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it.